When we look at how most companies handle their goals and reviews, the biggest hurdle isn't usually the strategy itself, it's getting people to actually use the software. We've all seen those platforms that sit untouched because nobody wants to remember another password or open another browser tab. That's why we are looking at Teamflect today. It's the top-rated performance management tool in the Microsoft Teams store for a very simple reason. It lives entirely where you already work. Whether you're in Teams or Outlook, Teamflect is right there with you. It's an official Microsoft partner, meaning it's built to enterprise-grade security standards like SOC 2 Type 2 and GDPR compliance. Today, we are going to show you how this tool makes managing your team and running your business a much smoother experience by staying in the flow of work and fitting into your existing routine. Now, performance reviews are only as good as the data behind them, and that brings us to how Teamflect handles objectives and goals. When we look at the Goals module, everything is clearly segmented into categories like My Objectives, My Team, Groups, Department, and Company-wide Goals. It's very easy to navigate because we can filter everything by dates, who owns the goal, or the specific status of the progress. Right at the top, we get a clear visual of the overall progress percentages, showing us exactly how many objectives are on track and which ones might be at risk. We can toggle between different views depending on how we like to see data, whether that's a standard list view, a feed view, or a tree view that shows how everything connects. What we really want to highlight is the cascading effect of these goals. In Teamflect, goals aren't isolated islands. They flow from the company level down to departments and eventually to individuals. When we create a new objective, the process is straightforward. We give it a title, set the owner, and decide how we want to measure it, whether that's through percentages, milestones, or currency. The best part is that these goals are deeply tied to the review process. Since everything is integrated, an employee's completed goals automatically populate their performance reviews. This means evaluations are based on hard data and actual achievements, rather than just a manager's memory or vague impressions.
The automated goal check-in feature in Teamflect sends interactive adaptive cards directly into a user's Microsoft Teams chat thread at scheduled intervals. This allows goal owners to slide a progress bar, select a status, and type quick updates without ever leaving their active conversation window. By moving data entry to where employees already spend their workday, the system eliminates the friction of logging into separate apps. This seamless loop ensures company dashboards always display real-time OKR progress without requiring managers to constantly nag their teams for updates.
It all starts with the account. Since Teamflect is embedded in Microsoft Teams, you don't have to download separate software or create any additional accounts. If you have a Microsoft account, you can log in immediately. Moving right into the interface, we can clearly see that performance management is where Teamflect shines. When you open the Reviews section, you'll see it's neatly organized into reviews about me, reviews about my team, and a section for all reviews if you have the permissions. What we find impressive here is the sheer flexibility of the customizable templates. Teamflect comes with a built-in library that covers everything from those standard annual and quarterly reviews to more specific needs like 30, 60, 90-day onboarding check-ins, exit interviews, and even mentorship program evaluations. Every single part of these templates is editable, so you aren't forced into a one-size-fits-all box. We can choose from a variety of question types, including open-ended text, multiple choice, or even Likert scales to measure competencies that matter to our specific culture. Beyond just the questions, the system handles 360-degree feedback beautifully. Instead of having feedback sitting in a separate corner, it flows directly into the review process. We can pull in perspectives from peers, direct reports, and even external folks like clients or vendors. For the HR teams out there, the automation is a lifesaver. We can set up review cycles on a monthly, quarterly, or custom cadence, and Teamflect handles the reminders so we don't have to chase people down. We also have access to AI-powered analysis that summarizes these reviews, helping managers spot trends without reading through hundreds of pages of text. If you're into talent mapping, the 9-box grid is a game changer. It used to be just a 3x3 grid, but a recent update lets us expand that to 4x4 or 5x5, which allows us to map performance against potential in a way that truly reflects how our organization views talent. Building on that sense of transparency, let's talk about how the platform handles continuous feedback and employee engagement. In our experience, feedback works best when it happens in the moment, and Teamflect allows us to give or request feedback directly within a Teams chat or a meeting. We don't have to stop what we're doing to recognize a colleague's hard work. We can use pre-built templates or create our own to make sure the feedback is constructive. If we're working with people outside the company, like a freelancer or a partner, we can even send feedback requests to them to get a full picture of an employee's performance. Just like with reviews, the AI can step in to summarize all this feedback over a period, helping managers get a clear narrative of an employee's growth. When it comes to measuring how the team is feeling overall, the survey module is incredibly effective. Because these surveys are delivered as adaptive cards right inside the Teams chat, the response rates tend to be much higher than traditional email surveys. Employees can answer right there without opening a new link. We can run pulse surveys, NPS checks, or even benefit satisfaction surveys using the library of templates. We have total control over whether the responses are anonymous or visible, which is great for building trust during sensitive topics. These can be set to run on autopilot, so we can have a weekly pulse check or a monthly engagement survey going out without any manual intervention. The AI then takes those results and pinpoints areas that need attention, saving us hours of manual data crunching. As we look at all these moving parts, you might wonder how to keep track of it all, and that's where the Teamflect Agent comes in. This isn't just another basic chatbot that gives canned answers. This is a specialized AI assistant that understands our specific company data. Because it has access to our performance history, goals, and feedback, it can actually take action to help us be better managers. For example, when we're getting ready for a one-on-one, the agent can look at the employee's recent goals and feedback to suggest a meeting agenda and talking points for us. It helps us stay organized and ensures we're hitting the most important topics. The agent can even help with the heavy lifting of creating OKRs. If we have a strategy brief or a general idea, we can prompt the agent and it will generate properly formatted OKRs with the right metrics based on our specific strategy. It's also proactive. It can flag patterns that might suggest an employee is becoming disengaged based on their performance and survey data, allowing us to step in before it becomes a bigger issue. What's even more impressive is that we can train the agent with our own company documents and policies. This means if an employee has a question about a specific company policy, they can just ask the agent in Teams and it will provide an answer that fits our specific guidelines and tone. Beyond the core OKR and review functions, there are several other tools that make our daily life easier. The meeting integration is a huge part of this. Since Teamflect syncs with our Outlook calendar, all our meetings are pulled in automatically. During a one-on-one or a team meeting, we can see everyone's goal progress right there on the screen. We can take shared or private notes, set tasks, and assign action items without ever leaving the meeting window. It turns meetings from just a conversation into a productive session where work actually gets tracked. We also have a robust recognition and reward system to help keep morale high. We can create custom recognition badges that align with our company values, like innovation or team player. These are easy to send and can be tied to a points-based reward system. We can set up a custom catalog where employees can redeem their points, and there are even leaderboards to add a bit of friendly competition. It only takes a few seconds to recognize someone, but it goes a long way in making people feel valued. To wrap things up, we think Teamflect is a standout choice because it doesn't try to change how you work, it just makes your current workflow better.
As for the pricing, they have a free plan with up to 10 users providing comprehensive performance management features. For bigger teams and more advanced features, they offer essential and professional plans, which are also very well priced. Last but not least, their enterprise package offers enterprise-grade security features, such as bring your own key, dedicated cloud infrastructure, white glove implementation support, and more, with custom pricing. If you want to align your team and simplify your reviews, check out the description below and give Teamflect a try today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.